Yes, you can have TikTok. Get me on TikTok, like my what now following is actually my followers. I'm followers bang. Yanda give away Komamboga. That's where he stays around that side of the tower. That's where he stays. When I took away Mensanga, I know in Federation, Yada wine bottle. Now later we start met him. He was some nice guy and
Olimba Lindako. According to Embozi onomuwala nje yampandikidde. Banyumyanga ne Makona. Nga chaliwe nga be hai bichi olusi Makona nga amusulayo obugambo. Omuwala oyo alina omwana. Nakeera namubuuza oyina pulani ki omuwala oyo namugamba ngenda waka ewa at my mom's place. Makona namubuuza kukola ki omuwala namugamba njagala mama ampeyo kasente kubanga sirina mata gaki ga mwana. Makona namugamba togenda nenda kukola ki kugagula. Owulira ko muwala okay ne banyumya Makona namugamba amata jangu gano newange ekoma
Olida.
Omwana
Laudi abeera wa?
I stay in
Kisasi. Namulagirira.
Ekisasi nagende Komamboga.
Yes.
It's not very far from Kisasi because Bantu I don't Kumisatu.
Okay. When was this?
It was on Monday.
Monday, last week.
Not finished the conversation, yes. This week DJ with them.
Fantastic. Omwana nga alinya board, I'm not sure oba who paid it. Yes, I the board bagwe wajisasuli. Yes,
he didn't pay for anything.
Okay. Omwana nga yeteka mu board. Akwate kubo agenze akine ezamata. Bwe yagenda okukima ezamata batandika okunyumya. Enkuba etandika okutonya as fate would have it. Bananga bali mu Kampala enkuba yatonya ku Monday.
It rained in the night from around like sawa nga mukaaga mpaka sawa nga 11:12. It was Sunday.
Kutonya as fate would have it. Enkuba nga etonya kati etonya egano okucha. Nga Makona nga agezaako omusindikayo akagambo omuwala nga agana. According to nenda balaga the conversation omuwala jampadde. Makona nga amwalira mu ntebe. Omuwala nga yebaka Makona nga agenda mu kisenge. Of course, like every son of Pharaoh, they cannot get sleep.
Of course.
Banywamu kawaini yawo.
Tebannanywa oba mwanywa.
Yeah, we took wine, then we told my kunywa wine.
Aleta strip obo nkwekebeza sirimu.
Yagenda mu kisenge. Nze nensigala mu ddiiro. Then he calls me yampita nensoka nenkola kinengana. But of which ongamaze okukebera I understood he wanted sexy. Naye mutima gwange nendowooza. This guy is small and short. I cannot fail to, sobola bera nga I cannot fail to fight. Because he's literally small guy. Na manyine babanga nkepedde there's nothing he's going to do. Ngenda musinga amani. So when yampita I refused and then he came to the living room where yandese. Then that's when he told me he's a celebrity. I got a better relationship here. I take him publicly, but he wants me to be his girlfriend. Then he was undressing me. Nemugamba, even get us into conversations and Mugamba, I am not willing to offer myself for anything. Bobolo was Ogenda Kunzina, you're lying to yourself. But Mugamba, and I meant it because I thought I would overpower him. Talk at me after that, then I jam him. I thought, yes, Mudir, but I thought I was going to fight him Nengamba. I know. Even if he removes his pants, let's see until the guy came. People have power acid.
Bagamba kasajja katini. Okanyomera mitala waki?
Wa mega.
I tried my best. I tried my best, but in my mind I'm like, anyway, maybe that's what he wants as a person. There was something else I wanted. So maybe if he does that well and good, I didn't mind about that.
Yeah. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, agamba. At first, that was not her intention. Naye, if they came to an understanding, yandikiriza nebakola.
Yes, yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Genda mass.
Okay.
Yeah, Mr. Jawad, after coming, he slept.
Katonda wange.
To tell you the honest truth, I let him be. I went and he did the fucking. Because I had no option at the moment. Nagezaako kulwana nga sisobola. I tried my best. I even told him, I don't want this. Nangamba, baby, now. You know how someone really wanted to. And then after coming, he slept off, and it was still raining. Ngamkazi watu nisa kwa say my friend gave me the money. You get? So yes, I slept there because it was raining. So it got me thinking. But me, I was okay, but I'm like, anyway, he's not HIV positive, and I can go look for, something, an emergency pill, and take it and let myself be. Because my main intention was, she was really struggling. In the morning, I had to go and pick my daughter. To take daycare because he told me she was saying, young man is going to take care of all the children. And he had also promised he was also going to pay for the daycare treatment. There was a message.
Basubiza heaven and earth ne kastala bawofuse.
The man in the morning acted right. Nandaganti, we all wanted the thing. Nangamba man, Jojo, you are not about the I thought you wanted it. Nemugamba, my friend, I was here asking, I was even crying, literally crying. Nemugamba, anyway, that's not my problem. My problem is once we get a percentage of man as amat. Where is the money? Where is the money?
The sentence is say.
I remember I took that video, I recorded him. Because I didn't have any other way I could do that. Because Narawanti, the way he was looking, like Naindo was again the Zimpa that morning. So I had to take a recording and recording. By then he was his coat to go to work. Era ni coat jayamba la kumande ninechifana niche na video nga simula coat again.
Mazima.
So if he thinks he's lying that I didn't go to his home,
no one is thinking.
Obudde bucha in the morning. I
had to go and pick the baby from the school. So then he's like, I'm going to into the video. So like she was so me I kept the recording. If you don't want it, is okay. What you've done, it's fine. Let me just go. Look for the emergency man's appeal. Because it has protection, you get. The good thing to cheat Murad. Me just send me the emergency pin. I'm good to go. So I left him. Simula koti ya na ide na ending la video nga simula koti. Ne nkola chi ne tambula ne nze ne nkola chi ne ngenda.
Badiale mwasibye mutya nasuze ku live na akazukuka nasuze ku live nga nteseza ebitundu byekyama bya Makona Brian eyalidde eyali omwana wa bendi amalubba ku mandi ya mitwale ejo nezimulema natakomaawo ne bamubanja esente za morning after pill okumala esaawa nga 10 namba oyamaze nazisindikanga emitwale ejo nga awandiseeko piru Makona oli otya mukwano wasuzo otya Mr. Kolio najirabye naye wankubidde mpumuddemu Makona nfunyeeko information inti omuwalo yafunye amasimu agamutiisa Makona teri muntu ayinza kutiisa muwala unless the accused. Makona ndiwo kutegeeza ekintu kyonna ne kimala kituuka ku Joan amaaso tugatadde ku kitegedde Makona ekintu kyonna we kinatuuka ku Joan amaaso tugatadde ku gwe. Next time please clear your mess very nicely, pay for pussy, and life is not gonna be complicated. Don't complicate things. It is what it is. Chayi sedda totiisa mwana kitegedde ekintu ekyo.